Okay. Try it in. I'm going to try it the right way around, so I think it's going to look weird.
Sure, sweet, right.
Oh, for f***'s sake. I hate jobs like this. Why can't they just make them easier to do up? I think that does sort of. I'm bloody good at this. See, I'm wasted. Limited for colours. It needs a bigger. This is how I've earned my millions, by doing this. Go in there. Oh. Right, there we go. Does this work? The belt thing's a bit big. I think they've both got blonde. I think our performers have got blonde hair. But that should be better because it will contrast. I've obviously got very dark black hair, so I look a bit gothic-y, I think. This is a kind of evening out, quite a posh evening out look, I think. I do need to sort this bit of the belt out. The ponytail's going a bit higher than that, I think, doesn't it? Well, maybe not. Lovely. Cool.